Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will learn to print invoices in Arabic or bilingual for businesses in Kuwait and Qatar, along with countries where VAT is followed. As per the government orders, printing sales or POS invoices in Arabic or bilingual is mandatory, and with Tally Prime Release 6.0 you can now easily do so. To print invoices in Arabic or bilingual you need to add your company's mailing details in Arabic. Enable language alias and add the name of ledgers and stock items in Arabic. Configure and print the invoices in Arabic or bilingual. Let's see how you can provide your mailing details in Arabic. Press F11. In the company features alteration screen, enable mailing details in local language. In the primary mailing details screen, update the name, address and region of your company in Arabic. Press Ctrl A to accept the screen. Next, enable language alias in party ledgers and stock items. In the ledger alteration screen, press F12 and enable provide language aliases for name. Press Ctrl A to accept the configuration screen. From the party name, press Enter to select the language alias. Select Arabic, Saudi Arabia, System from the list of languages. Enter the name in the selected language. Enable mailing details in local language. In the primary mailing details screen, update the name, address and region of your party in Arabic. Similarly, you can add language alias for your stock items. Once you have updated the language alias for your stock item and party ledger, record the transaction as usual. Enable the option Set Alter Declaration in Arabic in the sales voucher type. Add the declaration in Arabic to print the declaration in sales or POS invoices in Arabic. Let's see how to configure and print the invoices in Arabic or bilingual. In the sales voucher, press Ctrl P to print. In the voucher printing screen, press C to configure. Select the print type as bilingual. Enable Show Amount in words in Arabic and Show numerals in Arabic. Enter the title of the document in Arabic. Press Ctrl A to save the print configuration screen. Press I to preview or press P to print the invoice in Arabic or bilingual. As you saw, you can easily print the invoices in Arabic or bilingual for businesses in Kuwait and Qatar, along with countries where VAT is followed. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp us for assistance. Subscribe to Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.